And good evening, India. Here is some breaking news. The spin of supermassive black hole in the Milky Way. Once a black hole forms, its intense gravitational field produces a surface beyond which even light cannot escape, and it appears black to outsiders. All the details of the complex mix of matter and energy in its past are lost, leaving it so simple that it can be completely described by just three parameters: mass, spin, and electric charge. Astronomers can measure the masses of black hole in a relatively straightforward way by watching how matter moves in their vicinity under the influence of their gravitational fields. The charges of black holes are thought to be insignificant when positive and negative infalling charges are balanced in number. The spins of black holes are difficult to determine. Typically, they are determined by interpreting the X-ray emission from the hot inner edge of the accretion disks around the black hole. The spin is quantified by a number between 0 and 1, and black hole spins have been measured with results ranging from a few tenths to close to 1. The Milky Way galaxy hosts a supermassive black hole. At its center, Sagittarius A, with about 4 million solar masses at a distance of about 27,000 light years. It is far the closest such object to us, and even though it is not nearly as active or luminous as other supermassive galactic nuclei, its relative proximity provides astronomers with a unique opportunity to probe what happens close to the edge of a massive black hole. The galactic center is surrounded by a cluster of stars and clumps of faintly glowing material, and in recent years, astronomers have been able to push tests of general relativity of new limits by measuring and modeling the motion of these clumps as they swing around the SMBH. The spin of the black hole, however, has not been determined in any consistent fashion, but its value would help constrain models of possible jet activity. CAP astronomers Giacomo Fracklone and Avi Loewi realized that the spatial distribution of one group of cluster objects, the so-called S-stars, could be used to prove the spin. There are currently about 40 known S-stars that orbit the SMBA in as little as 9.9 years, and recent analysis argue that collectively they lie in two nearly edge on disks, with the stars in each disk rotating around the black hole but in opposite direction. The two astronomers realized that the unusual geometry could allow an estimate measurement of the spin. One of the more curious and non-intuitive prediction of relativity is that space is not only wrapped by the gravity of a massive body, it is also wrapped through so lesser degree by the spinning of a body. This is so-called frame dragging effect, a small and hard to measure phenomenon, which however been confirmed. The two astronomers show that in the case of SGRA, frame dragging will have an appreciable effect on the orbits of the S-stars in this disk by assuming that the S-stars' orbital planes are stable over time. They are able to show that the spin of the SMBH in the Milky Way must be less than about 0.1. Beyond the report, Fosak TV.